unbelievable scenes here today. We're on a brand new job today, but it seems very, very familiar because about 6 months ago, we did next door's job. So these steps, all the bricks were damaged and destroyed. If you pan up here, you can see just how knackered all of these bricks are. Okay, so like I say, about 6 months ago, we did the neighbour's steps, and when we did them, we spoke to these people and said that, yeah, we'll probably come back and do them, and then they gave us a call. So here we are rebuilding them. So we've had Kyle and another lad take down everything, fill the entire skip up with rubbish, and then today me and Jake are going to be rebuilding them out of these lovely bricks. One of the reasons that these bricks do get so damaged is that they are so soft, so a lot of moisture gets trapped in these. Because these bricks hold so much water, so really porous, it's really a bad thing, especially here in England. Obviously it rains all the time. This time of year, at night time and even throughout the day, it freezes a lot, so water expands when it freezes, and because these bricks hold so much water, everything starts expanding inside, like all the moisture, and it blows the face off the brick, and that's what's happened in this case and the case over there. So really porous bricks are a bit of a bad thing to build out of, especially here in England. So I've just sent Jake off to go get me some wall ties, because there is a total of 1, 2, 3 ties in this wall altogether. So we're gonna again pepper this wall full of wall ties. Last couple of jobs I've done, no wall ties in any of the work. So we're gonna build this up, put plenty of wall ties in. We're just getting everything set out. The bond's a bit weird in places. We've got a bit of like almost a 3/4, slightly bigger in this corner, but we're just following what's below. Luckily I've been able to swap the bond around here and make it work full bricks over there. Stay to this level, I used it for concrete. Something we're having to do on this job is just make sure that when we build our brickwork up from the corner, it ends up hitting the stairs and these steps really flush. So it's a bit like being on a timber frame. All we're doing is just ranging in from A to B, and we are actually looking plumb, although you can't see my 6-foot level because it's been used for concreting. So yeah, that's what we're doing here and here. When you did them steps next door, was that just in the summer then? Mate, it was about this time last year that we did the steps. Okay, cool. So I remember it was raining just like it was today. Some things never change. No. Still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you wander so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer, I'll find my way and get off of this lonely road. Can you hear me? Tell me, can you hear me? I've been calling out for help, still don't see nobody near me. I'm down it, almost underground it, so deep in the valley I can't even tell you which way is the mountain. God, the only word I got, I could probably plant a garden, all this dirt I got. Trailer broke my heart behind me from the hurt I fought. Sometimes I really start to wonder if I deserve my spot, 'cause I'm just the
a man who's got blood all on his hands, but there's a humble sinner still deserve a chance. I say a prayer for me, I think you wouldn't advance.
I'm just glistening down on the brickwork as well, man.
Down on the brickwork. Beautiful stuff.
Oh my shit.
Oh my shit.
That is fantastic.
How does he do it?
That's excellent work.
Yeah, it looks nice, doesn't it?
Looks fantastic, yeah.
Ninja. There you go. Go for it, man. Is that it? Oh, yeah. Looks like a tiny bit bigger.
Time in the world now, I just need more, I just need more. We had all the time in the world now, I just need more, I just need more.
No, like 5 days a week, day in, day out. Bright and good. It does look nice, doesn't it? Absolutely beautiful.
Take me down,
it's good.
It's too good.
life is still all a mystery. Now it's all too clear to me. So can I feel again everything back then? 'Cause I'm so tired of getting old. We had all the time in the world, now I just need more.
Wow, unbelievable scenes here today. Not a bad day. Sun's finally out, which is nice, isn't it? 'Cause it's been raining most of the day for us. Yeah, not a bad day. Some pretty neat, tidy work. Tomorrow, just got to get this finished. Only a few bits and bats to do. Tiny bit of brickwork around the corner. Tiny bit of brickwork here. Nothing major. You might be thinking that the perps look a tiny bit big, but because these bricks are chamfered on the end, even when you put two bricks tight up together and strike it with a perp, you end up with a 5mm perp joint. So the perps do look big. The perps do look big, but they're not. Anyway, tomorrow we're going to finish this, wrap up all the bits and bats, and then we're out of here.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Have a windy Friday, but we're going to get stuck in. All I'm going to do is finish off what I started yesterday. Just spoke to the client. Initially we had stairs here, just like next door, but what they want to do is extend their driveway. So we're going to bring the corner round under the step, a bit like how we have been doing right there. So that's going to go under there, and then we're just going to rack it all the way back. Tiny bit of brickwork to do there, little bit to do there. So not loads and loads to do today, so it should be a pretty good day, pretty good Friday. tomorrow?
Us two.
What's your opening line going to be?
Something to do with Fritzel.
Right, so you're going to speak about Fritzel,
Yeah.
and then
I'm looking forward to seeing what the chicks look like, man.
the chicks.
The chicks, yeah.
Mate, funeral's the best place to fit on girls.
Imagine if I came back and just organised an orgy or something. Realistically, that just won't happen, will it? I'm living in cuckoo land.
Like Jay off the invitation. These things are shit.
Terrible, aren't they? They don't seem to.
No.
Always edit that.